Hello and welcome. This is your host, Professor Montoya. I am here. We're going to be talking about Introduction to AutoCAD. Today, we're going to be talking a lot about the user interface and what AutoCAD looks like. So for our first opening day, we're going to be sure that we have our AutoCAD thing we want to do. We came here to learn about AutoCAD, opening AutoCAD files, creating line and circle commands, use the erase command, define positions using the basic entry, and use real-time pan option. Learning to use a CAD system is similar to learning the new language. And we're learning an alphabet. We need to learn where all these different buttons reside. A method and number of operations that are required to accomplish the constructions are different from one system to another. In learning to use CAD system, lines and circles are the first. Okay, lines and circles. The most important two entities, straight lines and circles, are used in all technical designs. We want to get started with AutoCAD. Let's open up our AutoCAD and let's get to our screen layout. So new users will say, how do you open up AutoCAD? We're going to start. We'll just go up. The A is your friend. Bigger now. It's a little A. I used to call it big A. And you can do a new drawing. Why don't we just make a new drawing? And then it sends you to a template. For now, we'll use AutoCAD template and open. 2019. They haven't changed for a while, but we have our drawing units, our ribbon and tool panels, the info center, quick access toolbar, also called the QAT, the application menu, the view cube, graphics cursor, navigation, and command line. So let's take a look at that. It's going to make things a lot bigger. Limits we'll get back to. That takes a little bit more explanation than this simple one here. Okay, we're going to draw lines. We're going to draw our line, and we're going to notice what happens when that cursor is speaking to us. It's telling us how far we're pulling things. Let's go get to it. Okay, so let's talk about, I opened up the topic. Let's talk about what happens on that lower bar that runs across the bottom. The status bar is located at the bottom of AutoCAD drawing screen. The snap, grid, ortho, polar, object snap, and object tracking, dynamic UCS, line weight, and model icons appear. You can turn these on and off. If it's blue, that means it's on, and it's going to affect your drawing. If it's not blue and it's gray, that means it's off, and that drawing aid does not apply. The all-important erase command is that pencil that's up at the top, but you can also type E for erase and then hit the object, or you can type U for undo. The CAD database and user coordinate system. Let's see, that's a different topic that we need to still go back and do one more thing. We need to work on these modified tools.